Welcome to QuickGuides. Today you'll learn the blurting method, one of the simplest and most effective ways to boost memory, sharpen recall, and study smarter with just pen and paper. Blurting is all about writing down everything you remember about a topic without checking your notes. It instantly shows what you know and what you still need to study. First, review your material. Then, set a timer and write everything you can remember. Finally, compare your blurting notes with the source to identify the gaps. Use focused sessions, highlight gaps with colors, and turn missing info into flashcards. These tricks multiply the efficiency of your blurting sessions. Blurting works best after you finish a chapter, when preparing for tests, or when checking your long-term memory before exams. Blurting forces your brain to retrieve information, which strengthens memory, builds confidence, and helps you remember more in less time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, QuickGuides, to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.